Even careful scuba divers can harm coral reefs. Coral isn't just rock. It's a living ecosystem of tiny polyps that react to touch by stinging or releasing mucus, stressing the reef over time. A light brush weakens its defenses, leading to long-term damage. Good intentions aren't enough. Awareness and caution are key. Coral reefs are underwater ecosystems built by tiny polyps that secrete hard skeletons over generations. They support a quarter of marine life but are fragile. Even careful divers can damage them, leaving scars that take decades to heal. Even careful divers can harm coral reefs. Touching coral triggers a defensive response. Polyps retract or release mucus, weakening them over time. Unlike plants that regrow, coral scars take years to heal or never recover. A diver's handprint, even brief, leaves lasting damage. It's not about clumsiness. It's about the reef's delicate balance. Coral reefs are built by tiny polyps that secrete calcium carbonate over generations, forming a structure as delicate as glass sponge cake, strong enough to support life but vulnerable to even gentle pressure. A diver's touch can crumble it, leaving scars that may take decades or never heal. That's why avoiding contact is crucial, as small actions have lasting consequences. But even if you never touch coral, your sunscreen could still harm it. Chemicals like oxybenzone act like invisible sandpaper, breaking down the reef's calcium skeleton over time. It's not dramatic, no sudden cracks or crumbling, but it weakens the structure, making the reef more vulnerable to storms and disease. Think of it like a slow-motion car crash. You don't see the damage right away, but it adds up. But even if you never touch coral, your gear can still harm it. Anchors drop like boulders, crushing delicate structures beneath the surface. A single anchor can flatten a patch of reef the size of a classroom, smothering polyps in silt and blocking sunlight. Even something as small as a fin or a tank can accidentally scrape against coral, leaving scars that take years to heal. It's not about intention, it's about how even careful divers can unintentionally become part of the problem. But this damage isn't isolated. It accumulates like layers of wear on an old bridge. Each small scar weakens coral's skeleton, making it more vulnerable to storms or disease. A healthy reef is a bustling underwater ecosystem. Once compromised, it can never fully recover, leaving lasting harm to marine life. A tiny touch might feel innocent, but coral doesn't recover like a bruise. Each small scrape weakens its skeleton over time, making it more fragile like a building with cracks that won't heal. Even careful divers can accidentally brush against corals with their fins or gear, and those tiny injuries add up. It's not about one big mistake. It's the sum of many small ones that slowly damages the reef. Diving responsibly starts with small changes. Use reef-safe sunscreen. Regular ones can harm coral just by washing off into the water. Avoid direct contact. Even a slight brush with your fin or tank can scar coral, weakening it over time like a paper cut that never heals. Choose mooring buoys over anchors to protect the seafloor, and always check your gear for anything that might accidentally scrape against reefs. Every small action adds up. Think long-term, so these underwater cities stay strong. But training can make all the difference. Certification programs teach divers how to minimize harm, like using reef-safe sunscreen or avoiding direct contact with coral. Small changes, like checking your gear for sharp edges, add up over time. It's about learning to see the reef, not just as a backdrop, but as a living ecosystem that needs protection. Every dive can be part of conservation if we approach it with awareness and respect. Coral reefs aren't just underwater scenery. They're vital ecosystems that support marine life and protect coastlines from storms. But when even careful divers damage them, it weakens their ability to recover or adapt. Think of a coral reef like a city. If cracks appear in its buildings, the whole structure becomes unstable over time. Climate change is already stressing reefs, so every small injury makes them more vulnerable. That's why responsible diving isn't just about avoiding contact, it's about preserving these underwater cities for future generations. But training can make all the difference. Certification programs teach divers how to minimize harm, like using reef-safe sunscreen or avoiding direct contact with coral. Small changes, like checking your gear for sharp edges, add up over time. It's about learning to see the reef, not just as a backdrop, but as a living ecosystem that needs protection. Every dive can be part of conservation if we approach it with awareness and respect. Every dive is your chance to protect coral reefs. Small actions, like using reef-safe sunscreen or checking gear for sharp edges, add up to big conservation efforts. Think of coral as an underwater city. Each touch can harm its structures, while careful diving helps it thrive. Share this video to inspire others and become a steward of these